Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be configuring Active Directory integration with Stealthwatch. Now, you might be thinking Active Directory integration, that means it's going to pull the users, right? Actually, no, it's a little bit different than what you would think it would be. We actually get the user to IP mapping from the ICE integration. This is a little bit different. So, before, in one of the previous videos, I kind of pointed out that this was blank, but I'll kind of go and show you right now. So let's go to monitor and we'll pull up me as a user. And we can see some very basic information, like all the users endpoints I'm logged into, the Mac vendors, the profiled information from ICE, but there's this big user information part here that's just kind of blank. Okay, weird. That's where it can pull Active Directory information. It can basically say, okay, what's showing in the Active Directory account for the user? So, you know, this information like display name, who my boss is, what my job title is. That's information that can be pulled from Active Directory. So if ICE already has identified what the username is and who it is, it basically uses that username to pull just additional contextual information. So if you're seeing somebody misbehaving or you see a lot of devices logged in, you'll have the ability to call them or without having to go and look them up in a global directory, or maybe even find out who their boss is. So to do this configuration, we'll go to deploy and then Active Directory, and we'll add a new configuration. I'm just going to name this AD1. That's Active Directory 1. And you'll put a domain controller in. So this is just going to be our domain controller and the port for Active Directory. Next thing you'll do is you'll have your base DN. This is basically just your, simply what your domain is. So in this case, it's DC equals security demo colon DC equals net. And the bind DN is the AD account that you're going to use to go ahead and bind this to Active Directory. So in this case, it's going to be my administrator account because I just want to use that. Administrator, CN, equals users, DC equals security demo, and DC equals net. And I'll go ahead and put in the AD password and click save. Give it a moment. And it should let us know pretty quickly that the AD connection's been established. So now that that's done, let's go back to users and see if that screen with my name in it looks a little different now. So I'm going to click on that. Now it's pulling it in the background. Let's see what it looks like once it's finished loading. Okay, as you can see here, my manager's name populates, the groups that I'm a part of, my phone number that's listed in Active Directory, and my email address and what office location I'm at. It also gives me my job title or description that I have in Active Directory. I think that one's the description. Yep. And so it gives us a little bit more contextual information. If you have a picture loaded in Active Directory, that'll also pull up. So this is a quick little video like showing just another integration to add a little bit more flavor and context to your Stealthwatch information. With that, thank you for watching, and I hope that was useful for you.